everyone, welcome back to my channel. Y'all would be wondering why am I sitting like this with my hair in such condition. Yes, my hair is in a very bad condition because I had colored my hair quite some time back, and then now it is completely damaged. If y'all could see, it's so rough, and it's in a very bad condition. Lot of damages in my hair. It's see. So today I'm gonna use a hair mask which I didn't use since quite long now. So I thought I will use it today, and I will also show you all what mask I use for my hair. This is really good. You all can see the result immediately. Once I wash, I will show you all the result. So do watch till the end.
So here I am taking 3 ripe bananas. It has to be fully ripe so that it is soft on your hair. If it is quite big, you can also use 2 bananas and 2 tablespoons of castor oil. You can also use any other hair oil, either coconut oil or any hair oil will work the same. But castor oil, it helps you in hair growth. 2 tablespoons of curd. All this helps you in smoothing your hair, making your hair soft. Then 2 tablespoons of aloe vera. You can also use the Patanjali aloe vera gel. Here I am using the fresh ones. Just grind it to a smooth paste. It should be in this consistency, so it is easy to apply on your hair.
Just make a partition of your hair.
So you can use this style of clipping your hair even when you are applying either henna or some color to your hair. This is very easy. Just make partitions and clip it on top. Apply this mask from the roots till the tips. That's more important, and apply it generously so that it gives a lot of softness. So you can just loosely roll up your hair, because later I'm gonna show you all how you have to bun it up so that it doesn't disturb you when you are soaking it, or when you're leaving it on your hair. It wouldn't be disturbing y'all, it wouldn't be dripping on your clothes, so it would be really comfortable. So I will show you all how to do that. So I'm just leaving it loose as I apply, just because I'm gonna roll it up. I've also made a video of how to grow your hair long, so do watch that video. I will definitely link it at the end of this video. If you like this video, do subscribe to my channel. It's very important to go up to the roots. So see, now at the tip I am just rolling it and fixing it there. Make sure it is strong. The first strand has to be strong, and just apply some more paste there so that it is strong enough, it doesn't come down. And just keep rolling the other strands of hair. So you can work like this with all the strands, and basically you will make 2 buns on each side. I mean each bun on each side. So this way it doesn't drip, and you are comfortable to leave it on your head for a longer time. You won't even feel that there is mask on your head, and you wouldn't be uncomfortable. You can use the same strategy to use to apply henna or to apply oil or anything like that. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. This looks difficult, but trust me, it is very easy. When you regularly use it, you know it is very easy. You can be really quick It hardly took me about 10 minutes to do my whole hair, and it is actually fun doing it. Just that if you are a mother, you should make sure that there's someone to look after your child. In my case, you can see my husband taking care of my daughter behind. So that's why I could do all this. So this is a very important step. You need to wrap it with a plastic cover so that the heat from the cover actually works on your hair and gives a good result.
So yes, I have washed my hair and I've also dried it just to show you all the result. And I had left the mask on my hair for about 2 hours. You can leave it just for half an hour also, which is still fine. um, and you can see the result. I can feel it much softer than before. There is a shine also, if you see. Definitely there is difference. Much softer, much softer than before. And the damages I can really feel. The ends have become much softer. Before it was so rough. And of course this is my actual hair. This is how it is once I have bath. So it's quite curly. I have a curly hair. So that that is not gonna change the text. Only the texture of your hair is gonna change, but what your hair is normally is gonna be the same. So now let me tell you the good, the bad, and the worst about this hair mask. So the good thing is it really gives you a good shine, good feel. It feels really soft and it does help the recover the damages. Of course, if your hair is really damaged, you need to use it quite often, so only then the damages will recover. So that is the good thing about this mask. Bad is that you need to shampoo at least 2 times just to take out all the mask in your hair, which is gonna be a little difficult. But yes, the result is good. The worst is that after you take bath also there are few particles of the banana and the curd and all which is will be sticking to your hair. So that's the worst part. But then once your hair is dried, see, I have nothing right now on my hair, so it is all clean. It all falls off. There won't be any particles. But yes, when once you wash your hair and come out, there'll still be the particles of the banana sticking onto your hair, so which is the worst part. But then yes, the result is good. You can do it quite often. So you can make your own mask with these basic ingredients, that is bananas, curd, egg, honey. Either you can use castor oil or coconut oil or any hair oil, aloe vera. So any of these, you don't have any of these items with you, you can just skip that off. Or if you do have something, so these are the main items which are used in the hair mask. So if you don't have anything, you can just skip that off. If you have everything, you can just add everything in the same mask and just apply it to your hair. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please do like, share, and do subscribe to my channel and keep watching for more videos. So until then, bye bye.